Last week, you started Writing to Inform Session 6. Let's polish that writing. And I have extended the due date for that until Friday because I want to spend a little bit more time really taking a look at it. And I also want you to sign up for an individual writing conference with me where you will share your screen, we'll talk about your writing so you really understand how to make your writing more polished and ready to publish. All right? All right, in session 6, you are going to revise your writing, polish and edit your writing, and add some text features. And I'm going to explain that to you now. Just a reminder that there are 3 learning targets associated with this project. I can write to inform an audience about a topic. Revising means to take a look at something again. We want you to read what you've written, think about, does it make sense? Do I need to add more details? Perhaps a little bit of research in here, some facts, organize it and improve it. Then when you polish and edit, you're looking at complete sentences, spelling, grammar check, punctuation, and capitalization. We want you to add some text features to your writing, and there are so many different types of text features like pictures, bold words, captions, titles or headings, definitions, text boxes, graphics, citations. When you start session 6, you're going to take the writing that you did from session 5, those flash drafts, and copy and paste them onto the green slides for session 6. And then you're going to take one piece at a time and do that revision, editing, and polishing. You may choose to use a Google document, a Google slide presentation, or a Google drawing. So if you take a look at the example I did, my original draft of the interview, I decided that my final version was going to look like this. And you can see that it's pretty different from what my original version was. What changes did I make? Well, I revised it. I certainly added more details and I checked my organization. I did some editing and then I decided to create it in a Google drawing. And I changed the page color, I added some photographs, and I added text features. When I finished the Google drawing, I downloaded it as a PDF, and you can click on that image and open it up and read it, or just see how I formatted it. I created another example for you because I think a lot of you decided to use a list. If you take a look at my original list, it's just a list of my favorite Mexican foods, and I have a sentence or two with them. When I revised, polished, and edited, I did it 2 different ways. First, I created it as a Google document, and I added columns. I added more details, I added some pictures, I added a little bit of research and some vocabulary. And then I thought, well, I'm going to try playing around, and I used it as a Google drawing as well. So you can see those 2 examples. I want you to realize that we really do want you to create it in a new format and take a look at revising it, adding details, editing it. You must add text features. Next week, we will take a look at how are you going to publish the final drafts of your writing. And that's it for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions or you want some help with something. Put a comment in Google Classroom or send me an email. I hope you have a really great week, and I am thinking about you. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.